Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and in this mini Unity tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a live feed security camera from your camera to a monitor in the game in Unity. Nice and easy. Don't forget, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon as well to stay up to date with every tutorial I upload to my channel. With that in mind, let's get to work. So I have a scene here from the asset store, and it is called FPS Hangar. It's a nice little scene if you want to check it out. It's something I found on my own, quite like it. A camera from the asset store, and a couple of props from the asset store as well, this monitor being one of them. So what we're going to do is have this camera pan around. It's already got a little script attached to it, a little swivel, so it will pan around. And whatever this camera sees will feed onto this particular screen right here. So in order to do that, what we need to do is attach a camera from the game object menu onto this actual camera. So if we right click and go to camera down the bottom, this camera just needs to be modified so it's in line with everything else. So the best thing to do is, you know your game better than anything, you know how your camera looks. So I'm just going to quickly change a couple of things around, change the rotation. So that should pretty much display where the camera is looking. Just align your camera with the actual camera that you have there. So I'll probably put it about there. So that camera itself, I do have some post-processing, which I'm not going to attach, but I do have post-processing on the main camera, which is the player here, but I'm not going to attach it to this camera for now. So what we need to do now is right-click in our asset window and create, and down here we have something called render texture. So click that render texture and we'll have this as security cam. And we don't need to worry about any of these settings just for now. You could play around with them, but let's just get the basics of this working for now. If we click back on that camera we inserted from the game object menu, and you'll see over here we have something called target texture. Just drag and drop that onto there. So what that's doing now is whatever our camera sees is being rendered onto this particular texture. So this texture will be a live feed of whatever this camera sees. So in order to display that on a screen, a monitor or whatever, we'll take this one with the good old Windows XP there. I'm going to attach, just quite simply, a cube to this which will render that and change the screen. So on this actual monitor itself, I'm going to right click and let's go to 3D object and cube. And I'm going to drag that cube out of there. So it should hopefully become its own individual object. There we go. And I'm going to bring it into place, so probably reduce the size. Obviously, you know the size of your own cube, you know the size of your own screen. If I just quickly shrink this. So in order to get this working like a screen, we're going to reduce the size quite small on there. So I'll have 0.02 maybe. And drag it onto the screen. There we go. Obviously change the size just a little bit. 0.9, probably a bit less, 0.75. Yeah, so it's going to take a bit of changing to get that working perfectly. But either way, we can change this now. So 1.4 maybe. Drag it to there. Just needs a little bit more, I think. I'm digressing here, wasting too much time on this, I think. But yeah, so you get the idea of how that looks on your screen. So just work out your cube to be roughly in line with your monitor. Last thing you need to do is, so basically, let me explain exactly what is happening here because it just looks a bit silly, crazy at the moment. So this camera is actually projecting onto a texture, and we all know how textures work within Unity, don't we? They feed onto a material and then onto an object. So we have to imagine that this is going to be a screen, an object. So we can actually drag and drop that texture onto there. And already we can see it looks just like the screen, which is kind of cool. So if we press play now, we should be able to see an actual render of what that camera is seeing. If we look up there, we can see the camera moving. Perfect. So you can see exactly how that's working. That is a live feed from that camera onto this monitor. So I'm just going to quickly change that a little bit more to make it look a little neater. So it doesn't quite look neat. I like things to be neat and tidy. So it just needs to be a little bit more lengthy. So that is how you can actually live feed a security camera or any kind of camera onto a monitor in Unity. It's great, isn't it? Guys, I hope that's helped, and thank you very much for watching.